Welcome back to A2Z Vocabulary, where we learn 10 new words every day, one letter at a time. It's day 6, and we're exploring the fabulous letter F. Our first word today is fabulous. It's an adjective. That means it describes something. Fabulous means extremely good or wonderful. Something so amazing it feels special. Let's use it in sentences. The view from the mountain was fabulous. That means the view was so beautiful, it took your breath away. She looked fabulous in her new dress. That means she looked stunning and very attractive. Our next word is fragile. It's an adjective. That means it describes something. Fragile means easily damaged or delicate. It needs to be handled with care. It's like saying, be gentle with it. Let's use it in sentences. Be careful, the vase is fragile. It means it can break very easily. Her feelings are fragile after the argument. That means she is feeling sensitive and can be hurt easily. Our third word is furious. It's an adjective. That means it describes something. Furious means very angry, stronger than just being mad. It's like saying, boiling with anger. She was furious when her phone was stolen. She was extremely angry about it. Mom was furious when John didn't eat the food. She had cooked it especially for him, and when he didn't eat, she got really upset. Our next word is frustrated. It's an adjective. That means it describes something. Frustrated means upset due to obstacles or difficulties. When something keeps stopping you from reaching your goal. It's like saying, ugh, why won't this work? Let's use it in sentences. He was frustrated with the slow internet. You know that feeling when you just want to watch a video, but it keeps buffering? Yep, that's frustrated. She felt frustrated when she couldn't solve the puzzle. She kept trying again and again, but it just wouldn't fit, and that made her annoyed. Our fifth word is fascinate. It's a verb. That means it's an action word. Fascinate means to strongly interest or attract someone. When you just can't stop looking, listening, or thinking about something. It's like saying, wow, I can't take my eyes off it. The colorful butterflies fascinated the little girl. She was so amazed by them that she kept watching every flutter and flap. Ancient pyramids fascinate many travelers. People are drawn to their mystery and history, and they love exploring them. Our next word is fortune. It's a noun. That means it's a thing. Fortune can mean a lot of money or good luck. It's like saying, wow, you're so lucky, or that's a huge amount of money. Let's use it in sentences. He inherited a fortune from his grandfather. That means he received a huge amount of money when his grandfather passed away. It was pure fortune that they met at the airport. It was complete luck. They weren't expecting to see each other at all. Our next word is fierce. It's an adjective. That means it describes something. Fierce means aggressive or strong in appearance, feeling, or action. It's like saying, full of power and intensity. The fierce tiger roared loudly. The tiger's roar was so powerful and scary, it made everything go silent. She gave a fierce speech against injustice. Her words were strong and full of passion, showing she would not back down. Our next word is fumble. It's a verb. That means it's an action word. Fumble means to handle something clumsily or drop it by mistake. It's like saying, oops, I almost dropped it. She fumbled with her shopping bags at the checkout. She was struggling to hold them properly, and they almost slipped from her hands. He fumbled with his wallet while paying the bus fare. He couldn't grab it quickly and kept dropping or mishandling it. Our next word is faithful. It's an adjective. That means it describes something. Faithful means loyal and reliable, someone or something you can always count on. It's like saying, always there for you. Let's use it in sentences. The dog was faithful to his owner. That means the dog stayed loyal and never left his owner's side. She has been a faithful friend for years. That means she has always supported her friend and never let her down. Our last word for the day is fabricate. It's a verb. That means it's an action word. Fabricate has two meanings: to make up something false or to build or manufacture something. It's like saying either creating a lie or creating an object. Let's use it in sentences. He fabricated a story about why he was late to avoid trouble. That means he invented a false excuse so he wouldn't get into trouble. The workers fabricated metal parts in the factory. That means they built and produced the parts using machines. Now, let's test your memory with a quick quiz time. I'll give you a question, and you choose the correct answer. Ready? Let's see how well you know today's words. What does fabulous mean? A. Ordinary and boring. B. Extremely good or wonderful. C. Slightly interesting. D. Cheap and plain. The correct answer is B. Extremely good or wonderful. If someone is furious, they are A. Very tired. B. Extremely angry. C. A little confused. D. Very happy. The correct answer is B. Extremely angry. Which sentence shows someone feeling frustrated? A. She kept trying to open the jar but couldn't, and she sighed loudly. B. He laughed at the funny joke. C. They danced in the rain. D. She whispered a secret to her friend. The correct answer is A. She kept trying to open the jar but couldn't, and she sighed loudly. Which action is an example of fumble? A. Dropping your phone while texting. B. Carefully folding your clothes. C. Writing neatly in a notebook. D. Balancing a book on your head. The correct answer is A. Dropping your phone while texting. A faithful friend is someone who A. Always supports and stays loyal. B. Only talks to you sometimes. C. Changes sides quickly. D. Ignores you often. The correct answer is A. Always supports and stays loyal. If you got them all right, you're fabulous. If you enjoyed today's lesson, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the next episode of A2Z Vocabulary. See you next time with more amazing words.